started the game actually. चक्कर कलाक मारना रही है. Yes. May I request Manoj to do some commentary? Help me out, Manoj. I want to see your talent, more talent of you saying the commentary also. Please join me. Yeah. Can we try it, Manoj? Yeah, please. Please सब अच्छा फोन आया चाइना से ना हो पंजाब में आया ना हो चौनो में इंदो चाइना में इंदो सिंधी में
अभी आपके सामने तव्हांजे साम्हूं रुद्रा 11 ऐं रिजवान 11 जी मैच थी रही आहे ऐं सभिनी ॿारनि खे शुभकामनाएं. जेको बि जीतंदो सिंधी जीतंदो, खटे कोई भी खटे सिंधी. ऐं तव्हां सभिनी खे असांखे साथ ॾियण जे लाइ तव्हां सभिनी जी वाधायूं. ऐं असांजे विच में हट जा बाजू आॻियां राजू.
हट जा बाजू बैठ गया राजू छोटा भीम भीम भीम. May I request now also commentary in Chinese from Manoj. Please Manoj, I will need you here for special commentary in China. You say in Chinese, I will just repeat in Hindi, Sindhi. प्लेन लैंड हुआ है, कल शाम को आए हैं कमेंट्री करने. मनोज मैच है, रुद्रा बॉलिंग पे, बैटिंग पे हीरा 11.
मुझे बैटिंग और बॉलिंग चाइनीज में अरे दौलतानी में ट्रॉफी अचण खपे टारगेट.
Yes. Now commentary in Chinese.
你好
Namaste.
现在我们
How
这
are
边
you? I am great.
有2个大牌的
टंग टूटी पई. Sorry. Mana टंग टूट. Yeah. Is ball shawl?
天天2个 team 在打牌
बहुत बढ़िया खेल रहे हैं टीम.
一个 हरिओम 11 are out. ट्रांसलेट करता हूं मैं.
आउट ही बोलते हैं चाइनीज में. ग्रेट कमेंट्री फ्रॉम हियर. थैंक यू मनोज. फोटोग्राफर धन्यवाद तुमचा राहुल भाऊ. धन्यवाद तुमचे केस लई चांगले. हे आपला ते नाही कोहली आपला लाल होतो ना असा केस होतो एकदम. छू मीन्स आउट. हा प्लीज डोंट माइंड. छू योर बैट्समैन नेम जो आउट हो गए अभी निकालना पड़ेगा. निकाल दो यार क्रिकेट क्या. यू कंटिन्यू कमेंट्री यार.
现在在倒球
हे ॿियो बैट्समैन आयो आहे. इनका नाम है छन छो छो. Suri, the man of words. Suri.
好拍
Oh, dot ball, right ना. डॉट बॉल, हाई फाइव डॉट बॉल. छू मतलब आउट, यू मतलब रन. Lovely bowling there from the bowler. Great bowling again. They will take it as a single. Oh, commentary back to Manoj, please.
Thayang Hanli hai Chintian.
I didn't understand actually. Sun is very hot like me. Sun is very hot like me now. Oh!
Bold.
नहीं बोल्ड को क्या बोलते हैं? Old. Oh, it's old. Oh, chew. It's chew हो गए. Yes. Sunil Manwani, name partner Sunil. Yes. Any appreciation for the batsman?
Shenzai Thai Chen Solai.
Yeah, got
Goodbye.
it. He hit 25 runs in last innings. I know. You are correct, sir, Manoj. You are going good, Manoj. Lovely, lovely. Are we online? Two wickets in first over itself, actually. Yeah. Manwani, Sunil Manwani. No. Next ball. Next ball. First over in progress, actually. Great ball here. They will take a single. Yes, it's a single taken by the Sunil. Score moves on to
चीला है चौ उत्तरायण के 14 चीला है
उड़ गए, सब नींद से उड़ गए. चिल्ला है मतलब चिल्लाओ अभी, उठ के चिल्लाओ. अल्लाह रे अल्लाह, बाबा रे बाबा. ये अभी आया, अभी आ गया. स्कोर आएगा, स्कोर आएगा. रुको. किसने आया? स्टार्ट स्टार्ट ड्रोन पे. हाँ, टीम का नाम आ गया ना, वाशु. या please don't waste time, please. Empires, we're short of time now, please.
快点
जल्दी करो, जल्दी करा. जल्दी क्यों, जल्दी क्यों? कंधा रहो, कंधा रहो. अपडेट नहीं हो रहा है स्कोर. आई थिंक इसके लिए मैच रोकी गई है. बालानी एंड रिपेयरिंग की तरफ है, इसलिए वहां से बॉलिंग नहीं की जा रही है. बॉलिंग इज ऑल फ्रॉम आनंद रोड 11. हरे धूप में निकला न करो. कैन यू सिंग द सॉन्ग मनोज इन चाइनीज? धूप में निकला न करो रूप की रानी, काला रंग गोरा न पड़ जाए.
Shanghai the
धूप में. यस. आर वी लाइन ऑफ? यस वी आर. Match is now live. Okay. Score is 3. Loss of 2 wickets. It's a tingle. That means single in India. Tingle in Chinese.
Eager run.
Eager. Single taken. Good shot here. They will take at least 2 runs. Yes. Score is now 5. 1.25. Rudra captain Akshay Bagnani. Great bowling here. Akshay, you want a good run rate? Get the game fast, please. Thank you. Akshay has been warned for getting the late. Next ball from Nitish Nagdev to Girish Chawla. Great ball. One tap out? No. Bad luck. Score moves on to Hicks's 6. Score is 6 now. Loss of 2 wickets. Oh, lovely ball here. Please fast. Akshay fast. Yeah, good ball here from Nitish Nagdev. Good bowling here from Nitish. They will take singles. Score moves to 7 now. Seven for loss of 2 wickets. Please don't waste time. Score is 7 after 2 overs. Yeah. So breakfast time for Chinese speaker. Ching Chong Ching. Breakfast time. Varun Nyarani. He was actually declared the best bowler yesterday. Harish Nyarani to Harish Kotwani. Varun Nyarani to Harish Kotwani. Oh, good shot here. Hari Emergencies playing like slow and steady wins the race. Empire. Okay. We'll change later on. Don't worry. Sabka hoga. 8. Lovely shot here. They will take a single at least. Yeah. Score is 9 now. Score is 9 now. Third over in progress. Good shot here. That will be a catch. Oh yes, my God. One tapa catch out hai? Nahi. They will take 2. Yes, they get 2. Chance of run out? No. Lovely running here. They may take 3. Yes, they will get 3 runs. What a batting actually. What a batting. Akshay Bagnani in tension. Chirag is there? Chirag nahi hai? Chirag is there? Score is 12 now. BMS coming back live in next match against Auja Warriors. Great ball here. Will get single. Score is 13 now. Varun Nyarani. Score is 13 now. Third in progress. Good shot. Oh my God. Mix up. Great mix up. It's a wicket actually. 13 for 3. It's run out. Yes. कौन सा? Thirteen for three. Sagar Keswani will go and take the strike. Sagar, can we run? Thank you. Sagar. सागर किनारे दिल यूं पुकारे तू जो नहीं तो रिजवानी 11 कुछ नहीं. Okay, 13 for 3. Special welcome to Mr. Jairam Chawla. He is captain of Sobhaganagar 11, above 50, 50 plus, and he drives like, when he drives a scooter, he is driving like a helicopter. 13 for 3, Girish. Shot, oh my god, it's a wicket. It's a wicket. Come and go, go and come. Varun Nyalani. Oh, what a bowling from Varun. Great bowling, Varun. अच्छा तुम्हारे ग्रुप में Hats off यार, तो ये मतलब नहीं भी खेल रहा है और कभी कभी कहता हूँ ना अच्छा तो यार. Yes. Yes भैया. Dinesh Daryani, my favorite DD, Daily Dawn, Dinesh Daryani. Fire in the mountain. Run, 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 brother. Come on. Dinesh bhai, run. Shabash. Sagar bhai, hard luck. 13 for 4. 3 overs gone. Fourth over to be bowled by Akshay. 13 for 4 in 3 overs. Mm. Thirteen for 4. Okay, if Manoj is done, we can have Chinese commentary. Thirteen for loss of 4 wickets. Bowler is Pratik Krishnani. Pratik Krishnani will be a Safed white ball actually.
How high? How high?
Single single ना. अच्छा खेल रहे हैं. Score is 15 now. Score is 15 for 4. क्यों हाने 15 for 4. नास्तो बंदोबस्त केल तो प्लीज नास्तो खाई कचरो कचरे दबे फिटी कंदा मेहरबानी करे प्लीज सभिनी खे वेनती आहे. 3.1 15 for 4. Krishnani Pratik. Lovely ball. Rudra Royals proving themselves as royals, real royals. Next time I'm expecting a team from Rajway also. KBC, Komal Book Center, KBC 5. What a ball! Next time I want a team from Chawlas also. नहीं आपका भी नाम ज्वाइन करते हैं सीके सीकेबीसी चाइनीज Kumbal Book Center. Chinese. Next we have a good team. Chinese Kumbal Book Center, and that's a wicket. 15 for 5. 15 for 5. Pawan will go now. Hawa ka jhoka. 15 for 4. 5. Sorry. (15) for loss of 5 wickets. Batsman is Pawan. Fire in the mountain. Run, run, run. Please, Pawan bhai. हवा का झोंका यहाँ पे ले रहा था हुआ. आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है. Next ball. Oh, what a ball again. Will be a bye actually, I think. Yeah, single. Score moves on to 16 now. 16 for 5. Suraj bhai. और कुछ चाहिए तो बता देना. Oh, what a shot here. Oh my God, will be a single at least. Varun Nalani. Bit misfield from him actually. Score moves to 17 now. वेलकम अडवाणी सर. इनकी भी अगली बार टीम आएगी. अडवाणी 11. ये डे बाय डे यंग होते जा रहे हैं अडवाणी. ही वाज 61 लास्ट ईयर, नाउ ही 16. आई थिंक एक शादी इनकी भी होनी चाहिए. आइए दिनेश जी प्लीज ऊपर आइए प्लीज. वेलकम वेलकम प्लीज दिनेश आइए. दिनेश जी बहुत ही यंग लग रहे हैं, चमक रहे हैं. स्माइल 32 ही दिखा रहा है अपनी. क्या बात है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी. और ये एक रन मिलेगा, दूसरे के लिए भाग सकते हैं और दूसरा भी ले लेंगे. यस, लवली रनिंग हियर. Yes, it's a wicket. I think no, he has completed the run. I'm sorry, it's a 2 runs. Dinesh ji, next year we want your team, huh? Definitely yes, done. देखिए, we are here for marketing. We are unpaid for all these things actually. Yeah. हाँ, last time. Lovely shot here. Will they get 2 runs at least? Yeah. He's being a great. Oh, it's a boundary, I think. Yeah, it's a boundary. Yes. First boundary. First boundary of the innings. Score moves on to 23 now. 23. Fifth over in progress. Oh, it's caught and drop. Caught and drop. Hard luck here. Good bowling here from Vicky. One of the finest bowler of SPL 3 actually. He was best bowler. Vicky again. To Chicky. So Chicky again. Chicky single. They will take two. No. Only a single. Left hand throw. आवाज कम हो गया है यहाँ पे रुद्रा का. आवाज कम आ रहा है. थोड़ा आवाज बढ़ाइए रुद्रा 11. Come on boy. यहाँ पे BMS 11 के कुछ प्लेयर. यहाँ पे BMS 11 के भी प्लेयर आ रहे हैं. दो हल्के होते हुए आ रहे हैं. भरत भाई और रवि भाई थोड़ा सा वजन कम करके आए हैं अपना. Next match is going to be a very terrific match between BA. It's a good shot again, by the way. They'll get 2 runs at least. They take just a single actually. Empire. Great job from Empire actually. क्या बनती है 7:35. मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजर राजू जी से कि अगली बार स्टेज में एसी होनी चाहिए इफ इट इज पॉसिबल. राजू भाई नहीं तो एटलीस्ट कैबिन में एसी मिल गया तो बहुत बढ़िया. कमेंट्री बहुत अच्छी होगी.
मैं सुनील भाई की रिक्वेस्ट को एक्सेप्ट करता हूं, पर मेरी भी रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि सुनील भाई अगले टाइम को आपको एसी चाहिए तो 3 एसी स्पॉन्सरशिप आपकी तरफ से.
ये सर बच्चे जिए पर अपने खर्चे पे कीजिए. ये है लॉजिक राजू भैया का. तो मुझे एसी चाहिए तो मुझे ही खर्चा करना है. राजू ने स्पष्ट कर दिया है, क्लियर कर दिया है. इस बात पे बोलेंगे हम आयो लाल चो झूले लाल. थैंक यू राजू भाई. यू हाजिर जवाब. यू आर ग्रेट मैन एंड रियली हैट्स ऑफ टू यू फॉर मैनेजिंग सच अ ग्रेट इवेंट यार. रियली really really. Anyone? 3 cheers for Raju please. 3 cheers for Raju. Hip hip. Hajja Baju. Raju, we are really grateful to you. Really grateful. You are doing a tremendous job. Lonely you manage. No. Single team. Yes. Shot. 1 shot please. 1 run shot. Sorry, it's a single only, by the way. Good shot again. Will this go for a boundary? Yes, definitely yes. He's playing a great knock. Great knock. Lovely. It's a boundary. Lovely. Score moves on to score. 33. ये नंबर मुके नंबर आज नंबर है मुके आजा बेटा इधर. आपका नाम क्या है? दस मंगना नहीं. अरे वाह स्माइल कर रहे हैं. इट्स अ गुड बॉल एक्चुअली. यस नंबर है बेटा. देखो बेटा 9403540211 मिस्टर RC रतन चावला. लगेज फोन कर जा पहले बात करो. यस नहीं यार ये बॉन्टी मैच 5:30 बेटा. 5:30 का बॉन्टी का एक ही मैच बेटा आज शाम को. $33 for 6. 33 for 6 now. 6th over in progress. Can I request captain of Auja Warriors and BMS for toss, please. Lovely ball here. Great bowling. What a running here. Lovely run. Varun. "34 for 6. 6th over in progress. 35 now. 6 overs gone. 35. Captain of Auja Warriors and captain of BMS. Auja Warriors captain Ishan and captain Bhusham. Please, I want to hear. Bhusham. आगे ना टॉस के लिए प्लीज. Captain of BMS and captain of Auja Warriors. This match is going to be a fantastic match. Mouth-watering match. Anybody's game actually. Yes, Saju. Suraj Bhai is wearing a shorts today. He is like our son. Global ki gully. It's global, sorry. Global. YouTube. Global टेनिस क्रिकेट के हमारे 5:30 बेटा मैच. मेरी बात होगी. फोन आया उनका, मेल भी आया मेरे को. Yes. May I request both the captains? Oh, he is having a discussion. Bhusham is having a discussion actually with the players. क्या लेना है क्या नहीं. Yes, sir, please toss के लिए. May I take your hi please to our YouTube channel. Hi sir, hi to all. And both of their wives giving them best of luck. And toss will be flipped by. Yes, and call by Bhusham. Chalo. B for Bhusham, B for call. It's tails. Bhushan won the toss and decided to decide. BMS won the toss. Thank you. Thank you, Sarji. BMS won the toss and decided to decide. Seventh over in progress. Score is 38. Great ball. It's a wicket. What a spirit actually by Rijwan 11. They are leaving the crease themselves. Captain himself comes in. 38 for 6. Dinesh. "38 for 7 now. Actually, it's a policy of Rijwan 11. Raju, it's a policy of Rijwan 11 to give batting to all. Good policy. Mr. Khatri, you are inside. Yes, Khatri. Thank you. Karan, good morning. Thank you for going out. Oh, Vicky is planning the plan. Giving tips to Empire. Okay. Rohit, next ball to be bowled. Great batting, great bowling here. The bowler is, I think, Krishnani. Yes. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yes, score is 38 for 7. Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you very much. Come again. For next year, we need your team, please. Sure, done. Done. Next year, we will have 2 more teams. First team is C, KBC, Chinese Komal Book Center team, and Advani 11. So end of 7 overs, 38 for 2. BMS won the toss, elected to decide. 8th over in progress to bowl last over. Special thanks to GTC Live, Suraj Mhatre, the operator, Sandy More, operator, Sunil Chelke, cameraman, Suraj Pai, Empire Mayur Sunwane. Good shot here. They'll take it single. They take two. Yes, good running here. Special thanks to Empires, Mayur Sunwane, Aniket Khartale, and a special thanks to Oriflame owners, Mrs. Krishnani, Reshma Krishnani. If you're hearing me, I'm really sorry for not taking your name, but today I've taken twice, thrice, maybe next in more 2-4 minutes more. Next ball. Lovely shot here. Will they get single? Yeah, definitely yes. And special thanks to Mr. Raju also for managing such a great show. Score moves on to 41 now. 4 balls to go. .241. Last over in progress. Touch bowled, clean bowled. What a ball. Great bowling, great bowling. Deepak Manwani who went for a swag. Nitesh Nagdev, great bowling. What a ball. It's a wicket again. He is on hat-trick. He is on a hat-trick, on a hat-trick. Yesterday also, Nitesh was on hat-trick. Nitesh is on a hat-trick. Hello. Lovely bowling from Nitesh. Hat-trick ball. Great shot. Yes, we have now Rishi. He will say something to his mama. Mama, I love you. मामा नहीं तो आई लव यू बोल देना यार. आई हेट यू बोलेगा. Great bowling, 42 for 9. Oh, good ball here. 43. Target will be Devlali ka chor. 44. It's a wicket thrown away actually. Yes. Target is 44 in 8 overs. Come on, yes. May I request the captain of agencies, home agencies to set the field? Captain of home agencies, Deepak ji, set the field. Good bowling here from Jitesh. Great bowling. Mr. Bhavesh, are you going to bat today or not? Definitely, are you want to see some fireworks? Bhavesh, yeah, YouTube, please take me here. Bhavesh, if I give you a challenge of DRS, can you score 44 in at least 5 overs? Just give a view, not an issue.
Yes.
But Akshay, he has committed Akshay. 44 in 5 overs, DRS. Done. 44 in 5 overs. It's a challenge to them. No force, but get it done. No issues. 44 required in 5 overs. पर जितनी चाबी बरी राम ने उतना चल खेलो ना रोते रोते. Akshay, 44 in 5 overs. Captain, I need a confirmation, please. Hello. Confirmation. Confirmation. DRS. 44 in 5 overs. अरे देखा है पहली बार साजन के टकले पे 2 बाल डयम 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 तब जाके आया मेरे बेचैन दिल को करार. Where is Ram? Ram Budwani, RV? Yes. Hello. $44 required in 5 overs. DRS. Due to excess heat, overs are reduced. Captain Akshay. No problem, भैया, no problem. आपको यहाँ पे देखने मिलते हैं कबूतर हमारे ऑस्ट्रेलिया के ग्राउंड पे, बट हमारे यहाँ चीते आते हैं, चीते. ब्लैक चीता भी पीता है, चीता भी पीता है. Yes, score is 44. Yes, please set the field, Captain. Please set the field. Hello. 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 आवाज आ रहा है? 44 required in 8 overs actually. Fielding, please. Fielding. Set करिए fielding. Hello. 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 Yeah. Okay. 44 required in. हाँ. 44 required in 5 overs. I think BAMS are warming up for the field. This is my guess actually. हर धूप में निकला न करो रूप की रानी. Empires, can we start the game? Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Captain. Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Special thanks to all of you. Special thanks to Reshma Bhavi, Reshma Krishnani, Oriflam and Switch, Rahul Sasdev. Thank you for your support. We really appreciate. Apollo Tires also, yes. They have provided tires for all the vehicles which have been used for bringing players from Nasik and dropping them back. Special thanks to Shivananda, Kardas, Rudra Royals, Lalwani, Chai Developers, BMS, DJ Kingmakers, Auja Warriors, Home Agencies, GKB Studio, then Sindhi, Super Kings, Devontae, Socks and Shoes, my favorite, Sasdev, Team Empire, Reshma Krishnani, Next Level, RC Channel, Raju Nagdev, and special thanks to me also. Ayo Lal Chau Jhulelal, target 44 in 8 overs. Yes. 44 required in 8 overs. First over from Karan Sangtani. Oh my, good shot. Lovely, lovely shot here. Will be a single at least. Great bowling from Karan. Vicky. Karan Sangtani. Lovely bowling here, Karan. Great ball. हल्के हल्के आते हुए, हल्के होते हुए आते हैं. What a shot there. Great shot from Bhavesh. One of the finest batsmen, Bhavesh, actually. Great fielding here. They will take 3 at least. No, they won't take 3. Bhavesh is little bit bukya for batting. Score moves on to 3 now. Score is 3 of 2 balls. Score is 3 in 2 balls. 44 is the target. Third ball from Karan to Bhavesh. Good shot from Bhavesh. Lovely shot here, Bhavesh. Will that be 2 runs at least? They may come for. It's a boundary, I think. Yes, it's a boundary. First boundary. Bhavesh, one of the finest batsmen. He's batting like his father. His father used to play against Malcolm Marshall. Open the batting for Kavarram Levin. Yes, ball please, ball please. Yeah. Score moves to 7 now. दादा साई मुंजा शहनशाह धन्यवाद. Yes, Jairam bhai taking care of balls. Yes, what happened? Nothing. 7. Score is 7 in 3 balls. Same Jaggi, same Jaggi. Kavarram Levin captain, Jaggi, opening batsman, opening bowler. Here it was a good time. They used to play Malcolm Marshall, Jaggi Manwani. Great ball here. Good comeback from Karan actually. Karan showing his class. हाँ बेटा 4 ball. Done. Score is 7 in 4 balls. Lovely shot here. Will this be a boundary again? Yes, it's a cut shot. Great shot. Yes, it's a boundary. Score moves on to 11 now. Score moves on to 11 of just 5 balls. Score is 11 now. Last ball to be bowled by Karan to Bhavesh. Bhavesh is on 10 of 4 balls. A lovely batting. 4.4 and 2. Good shot. Good ball actually. Good ball. Great. Score moves on to 11. Rudras, you are on target. You are on target. 44 divided by 5. 8 point something. Now score is 11. 33 more required in 4 overs. DRS. DRS due to heat. Hello, yes. It's a white ball. Score is 12. हाँ भाई, I'm over power. Don't worry. Good shot here. Good shot on Vicky. Will this be a boundary? Definitely yes. No, they will take 2, 3 actually. Bhavesh is very fast. He runs like a lion actually. Score moves on to. May I request Raju to call Hira for next match? We need his commentary. Score is 15. 1.1, 15. Yes, BMS. We need a decision, please. Bhushan. Bhushan bhai. Your decision in next 5 seconds. Tick tick 1. Lovely shot here from Bhavesh. They will take 2 at least. Yeah. No, they don't take a risk. Bhushan bhai, batting. Oh my god, they take 2 runs. Lovely. Bhushan. Batting. Bowling. Okay. BMS decided to bowl first. So it's a request to Ahuja Warriors to warm yourself, warm your legs, warm your heart, close your, rub your hands for bowling. For bowling. Batting actually, yeah, batting. Rock. Yes, that's a good shot again from Bhavesh. They'll get at least single. What a field, yes, good running actually between Bhavesh playing a great knock. Bhavesh is on 12. 6 balls. Score is 17. Yes, come on, yes. Ha beta. Score is 19 now actually. 1.319. 1.319 actually. 4th ball of second over. Oh my god. Hard luck. Will be a single at least. Great running. Oh my god. Oh, it's a chance for run out for Bhavesh. Leg by. It's a leg by. Thank you, sir. MD. MD Jaram Chawla. MD mana? Motor driver. Motor driver Tit Waswani. MD. Yes. Next ball. 20 is the score. Oh my god. Great ball. Great ball. Hello, hello. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Score is 20. Last ball of power play now. Raka. Raka, I want your batting here. Good shot! Will be a. Oh my god, well try, well try. They will at least 2 runs, at least 2. They will go third actually, Pakka. Yes, definitely. Oh, lovely running here, lovely running, young legs. 23 in 2 overs. Required 21 in 3 overs. RB. Ram Budwani is back live. Ram coming, Jairam going. Saura. पाण में एक बीजा माइट ने सुहिणा सुहिणा माइट ॿई सुहिणा माइट आहिनि पाण में वाओ थैंक यू राम you are have a phone call from Chinese and you are wishing happy new year to all your girlfriends. Not an issue, you can take your time, no problem. Yes, umpires, please थोड़ा fast करेंगे हम. Yeah. Bhavesh is on 14 of 8 balls. Vicky on 7 of 3 balls. No, Naresh, no. Ah, Vicky chana. Vicky Khatri. अच्छा, रूपी, Rupesh Sachdev, you're there? Rupesh Sachdev, Rupesh Sachdev, Rupesh Sachdev, please come on stage. Rupesh, come, please. Good shot here. They will take 2 runs. Yes. Score moves on to 24. 20 more required now. Okay, yeah. White ball. No ball actually. No ball for Freed. Trrr, trrr, trrr. Yes, Ram has finished the call now. So now we will have a okay. Mr. Cameraman, please. Lovely shot. Will be a boundary. Cameraman, please. क्या कैमरा करेंगे? कोई फ्रेंड्स हैं यहाँ पे दुबई वाले, इनको देखना है गेस्ट को. मिस्टर बब्बर, हरीश दौलतानी, हर्षु दौलतानी, थैंक यू. हर्षु सिंह, थैंक यू. We 2.229. क्या दिखा रहा है? देखें जरा किसमें कितना है दम, चमके रखना कदम मेरे साथिया. 6 किसको? बैट्समैन को नहीं, भावेश की. Anybody hitting a 6, cash prize of 1,001 rupees from Jitu Kada. Jitu Kada. Oh my God, lovely ball here from Girish. 2.329. Target is 44. 15 more runs actually. आजा. Will this be a 2 runs at least 2 years? Hey, आराम से. Yes. I'll hand your mic over to. Okay. पाड़ी पड़ ली. सेटली.
हेलो.
Lovely batting from Bhavesh. Will this be a boundary? They take 3 runs now.
अफलातून बॅटिंगचं प्रदर्शन चाललंय इकडं बॅट्समॅनचं.
विक्की छाबरिया, मैन फ्रॉम नासिक रोड.
विजयाने षटकार मारला तर 2,001 रुपयाचं पारितोषिक मोठी पावली. चौकार. उत्कृष्ट बॅटिंगचं प्रदर्शन. अफलातून बॅटिंगचं प्रदर्शन विकी आणि भावेश. 30 balls, 6 runs required. खराब क्षेत्र रक्षक.
चांगला हिट केला गेला. चेंडू वेगाने ट्रॅव्हल करतोय.
29 चेंडू, 5 धावा. उत्कृष्ट शॉट कट केलाय. बॉल मागा. चांगलं क्षेत्ररक्षक. 28 धावा, 3 रन. 28 चेंडू, 3 धावा.
धन्यवाद. आपले आमच्याकडे तुम्हाला माहित नाही अजून, आमच्याकडे लई मोठे मोठे लोक आहेत. तुम्ही तर मानताय सिंधी. तुम्हाला एक माहिती देतोय मी. स्वतः मराठा सिंधी. सुनील कटारे, सुदर्शन चांदानी लई चांगले बोलले तुम्ही, पण तोंडांनी बोलले. मला वाटला की तुम्ही काहीतरी बोलणार वेगळा, पण चांगला बोलले तुम्ही. काय हरकत नाही. अगली गेंद. लवली हिटिंग फ्रॉम भावेश. This will be a single at least. Yeah, they will take. Yes. Thank you, Rudras, for proving yourself, Akshay. Great, boss. Thank you. नहीं भैया, ये आता ही मिलाने यार. चल यार, great. चलो, बेटा. Thank you. Thank you, Akshay. May I request